welcome back to my channel. Per usual, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying the Bentonite clay hair mask. My hair has been feeling quite dry and I thought, why not bring some life to it? So we're gonna put some moisture in this hair. Let's get into it. So I started off by mixing the ingredients together, which is obviously the bentonite clay, and then I included apple cider vinegar and water. According to the research I did though, adding apple cider vinegar causes the clay to produce iron, which in turn aids in the removal of toxins from your hair or your scalp. So beneficial that way. And then I added a little bit of water also because I wanted my consistency extra light. Everyone is different. You just have to mix it to your desired consistency. If you want it extra thick, it's up to you. You just have to add more clay and then less fluid. Mind you, you can mix the clay with any fluid at all. It does not necessarily have to be apple cider vinegar. Just that apple cider vinegar has its own associated benefits to your hair as well. You do also have to mix the product in a glass or plastic bowl using a plastic or a wooden spoon. No metallic utensils because the clay and the vinegar would then react with it. So before applying the mixture to my hair, I decided to wet it a little bit with water just to prep it for the product. Also, wetting it with water makes it easy for me to go through section by section, which is how I was going to apply the mixture to my hair. Mind you, the clay, it's very drying. Once it gets in your hair, it dries up and it cakes up. One thing I will continue to say is that once you start applying the clay to your hair, make sure you do it in sections and you apply a generous amount to the sections, to each section, because once it dries up, it causes your hair to harden and you do not want to be touching it or manipulating it in any way whilst it's hardened like that, because your hair is gonna break, girl. So we don't want that. See how my curls were popping over here? I was so excited when I saw it, but honestly, I had a long way to go. It was a long day. I didn't have time to go through section by section. All I wanted was to get the clay in my hair and in my scalp in order to cleanse it and prep it for my wash and go. My curls were popping though. So I had to add this, guys. For whatever reason, when the mixture gets on my skin, like my ears, it causes my ears to itch, or my face, like it causes me to itch. I haven't used the entire mix on my face as a facial mask before, but when it got on my ears in the back of my neck, it was starting to itch. So I don't know what that's about, but yeah, nah, that's not cool. So guys, I wouldn't advise using a comb in your hair in any way when it comes to applying this max to your hair. However, my hair is short and it's thick and they're all clumped up one way or the other. And it was hard getting it section by section with my fingers, so I had to get a wide tooth comb involved. But if you have to, use a wide tooth comb. This is it, guys. As you can see, my curls are popping, but it's hard to see because they're short and I can't really show it in a proper way, but I hope you can see it. But it felt all right. It was drying. I mean, it's a clay, so obviously. But after washing my hair did feel fluffier. It felt softer. It felt like it had been given life. And then I went ahead to do a wash and go with the Equal Styler gel as well. I'm gonna go ahead to leave a link to a wash and go video, a detailed wash and go video that I did previously. Also, my curls were popping, guys. My curls were popping. The clay did magical work. They were popping. It felt soft. It was easy. Typically, I have to brush through like several times in order to get my strands to pop. But no, I didn't. And it felt soft throughout the entire period too. So it worked. I liked it. It does say, per my research, that you should potentially apply the clay in your hair once a week, but we're not doing that. I am too lazy for that. So yeah, we're gonna do it probably once a month or twice a month, but it's up to you, honestly. But my curls were popping. It was so easy to do this wash and go. Typically my wash and goes will take me like about several hours, especially because I have a lot of area to cover, but it wasn't. It was pretty easy. It was quick.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
So I went ahead to style the look a little bit by adding bobby pins to the sides to create like a full hawk kind of look. And then I added a little bit of accessories here and there just to glam it up a little bit. It was really nice. My curls came out really cool. It was soft, it was fluffy. And yes, the shrinkage is real. My hair shrunk like that. So it's much longer than it looks, but it comes with it. I'm okay. I'm okay. It can shrink all at once as long as it's healthy. That's what matters, right? But yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, support this video by giving it a thumbs up. Just hit that like button for me. And then share your thoughts on this video in the comment section. Go ahead and share the link with your friends also. Thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate all your support. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.